my dear friends, the most commonly asked question in the medical entrance is about the tracheal rings. What are the tracheal rings? These tracheal rings are nothing but the cartilaginous rings which encircles the trachea. And the very common question is, how many tracheal rings are there? In trachea, there are about 15 to 20 tracheal rings are there, and that too they are arranged in a C-shaped manner. Okay, so let's see in detail about this tracheal rings. A normal trachea or a windpipe, we call the trachea in a common as windpipe, has many rings made up of cartilage, which is strong and flexible tissue. These rings are C-shaped, that is, those are not a complete circle. These rings are C-shaped. In this picture also we can able to see it is not a complete circle. It is just a C-shaped circle and supports the trachea, but also allow it to move and flux when your child breathes. So the complete tracheal ring are a birth defect. In these rings that causes them to be in a O shape instead of C shape. So the complete tracheal ring is a birth defect. That is very, very important. The cricoid cartilage is attached to the first tracheal ring, so which is on the top of the trachea. So as it attaches to the bottom of the larynx, so which is around 15 to 20 rings are there. They reinforce the front and side of the trachea to protect and to maintain the airway. So this is the major function for the tracheal rings. And one more important thing is why the cartilage rings in the trachea are C-shaped. This is very, very important. C-shaped cartilaginous rings will reinforces the anterior, means front, and lateral sides to protect and to maintain the airway. So reinforcing the front and side is to protect and to maintain the airway. The cartilaginous rings are incomplete because this allow the trachea to collapse slightly when the food is passing down through the esophagus, because the esophagus is posterior to the trachea. When the food is passing through our throat, we never feel the ridges because there is absence of cartilage in the posterior aspect of the trachea. Because of this reason only, the food will move smoothly from the pharynx to esophagus. Okay, my dear friends, this is about a very important question, that why the tracheal rings are C-shaped, not a complete circle. If the tracheal rings are of complete circle, it causes a birth defect. Okay, thank you.